Kristin, aka Curly Hair Beauty. So, judging by the title, you guys already know this is a Sheabassdor unboxing. I forgot the number. I think it's number 6. Yeah, but I just want to say thank you, SheaMoisture, for sending me these products, and let's just get into the video what they sent me. Starting off with this brush, this soft bristle brush. It says SheaMoisture right across from it. So that's pretty cute. I didn't get to use it in the video, but I will use it eventually. So what they did send me was, first of all, let's just say this is the Beach Essentials Edition. Beach Essentials Editions. What? It's supposed to protect and hydrate. So this collection gives you everything you need for beautiful, healthy hair at the beach and beyond. Products made with natural, certified organic, and fair trade ingredients offer protection from environmental elements of summer while creating beautiful summer styles. You know, beautiful summer styles. So they gave me 5 products. So first thing is first. Let's go for the sugarcane extract and MEADOWFOAM seeds silicone-free miracle styler leave-in treatment. I was about to say. So it looks like this. Curl Fest, they were giving this out, free sample, but that line was long. It's like they knew, and this was bigger than the actual size. So I'm gonna read the first one, which says, this leave-in treatment hydrates and styles with an innovative blend of sugarcane, MEADOWFOAM, seed oil, marshmallow, root, right? That's what it is, or is it just, okay, marshmallow root, and other botanicals that do it all. Detangle, nourish, soften, add shine, reduces frizz, promotes silkiness, protect against thermal and environmental damage while cutting down drying time. Okay, excuse me. So that basically just does it all. I can't wait to try this out by itself, like the way I do with my 100% virgin coconut oil leave-in. Yep. So I use that. It smells bomb. All the products that they gave me smell bomb. That's all I'm gonna say. They're gonna have your hair smelling like a summer beachy coconut marshmallow, a fruit basket. Yeah, fruit basket. So the second thing was this coconut and hibiscus hold and shine moisture mist. This is bomb. I love the coconut hibiscus smoothie and the shampoo and the conditioner and the, what is it, the curl styler, I believe. If I'm saying that right, well, I'm bad, I'm horrible. Now, this gentle styling aid infused with coconut and neem oils, silk proteins, and certified organic shea butter hydrates and refreshes waves, curls, and tames flyaways and frizz while providing brilliant shine. Oh, it smells beautiful. And you could just scrunch that bad boy. Scrunch it, girl. Scrunch it. Wait. I'll put it in your face. What else? You see shine? You see it? Okay, so the third thing is this shampoo. This is literally my favorite shampoo. They gave me this one. I have this one. Sisters. So this one's almost out. It's like up to here. And then this one's so cool. So I'm so happy with that one. Let me just read real quick off the pamphlet what it says. That's a lot. Infused with Jamaican black castor oil and certified organic shea butter, this sulfate-free clarifying shampoo removes buildup from hard water, chlorine, salt water, and products with infusing hair with natural moisture. So the next thing is they gave me, I used one already. They gave me 2 of these castor oil massive strengthening mask packets. stuff, if you're looking for a good deep conditioning mask, get yourself this one. Next thing that I've never tried before. Let me just read real quick what this gel says. It's supposed to do. Formulated with a supercharged blend of 100% virgin coconut oil and shea oils. Hydrating, alcohol-free styling gel provides medium hold that keeps your style in place with soft, smooth strands and not hard crunchiness or frizziness. Now, all these products are supposed to say they help with frizziness. I don't know if you guys can see that on top or at all. There's some frizziness going. If you want to see me do use all these products in my hair, just keep on watching. I really want to show my tapestry in the background. Like, look at that. It's so pretty. Okay, so I just took my microfiber towel off my hair, as you can see. So it is dry right now. It's like, that's damp. It's poofy. Look at that. That's some hair there. Okay, so I washed my hair with the Jamaican Black Castor Oil shampoo, and I also used the conditioner. Okay, so now I'm gonna use with what they gave me. They gave me 2 packets of the Jamaican Black Castor Oil mask. So I'm just gonna wet my hair. Like, the water's just gonna spray that way, Joy. So let me tell you guys about the shampoo and conditioner. I love that line, Jamaican Black Castor Oil line. It smells amazing. That's one of those. And also girls trying to get thicker, longer hair. So, but it did grow my hair, because once I start hearing my family go, Kristen, your hair is growing, I know it's working. And I did post on my Instagram when I bought the whole collection of the shampoo, the conditioner. I have the edge treatment, the leave-in, and the deep conditioning as well. Ooh. And I used this little SheaMoisture comb they gave me in my last box. And I'm just combing through it. I'm gonna twist it and now I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna look funny putting this cap on. I'm not cute anymore. And see, I don't need crap, whatever. And I'm gonna leave it in for 20 minutes. So I'll see you guys back after I rinse this out, and we'll use the rest of the products. Okay, so I rinsed out the deep conditioner out my hair. I didn't rinse it all out. I rinsed some of it out. Okay, so I got 3 products here that I'm gonna put on my hair. I'm gonna first put on, now it says it's for all hair types, so that's kind of cool, because you know how you get certain products and you be like, it's only for wavy hair, or it's raining. I mean, I didn't read no reviews on it yet. As you can see, I'm trying to open this, but it broke it. Oh, it smells nice. I'm trying. I don't like this. I don't like how this comes out, because I like to put a lot of in case I'm not leaving. Sit in my hair, scrunch my hair a little bit, spray a little bit. I should have sprayed it in my hair first before I applied anything, but Oh, you could really smell the hibiscus and coconut in this. I'm not, oh man. Ooh. I like to drench my hair in product, yeah. Okay, it's all on my shirt now. Whatever. Now just let that sit in. Now I'm going to be using the Daily Hydration Styling Gel. This adds volume and shine with this hydration alcohol-free styling gel. Provides medium hold that keeps your style in place with soft, smooth strands. No hard crunchiness, because nobody likes crunchy, curly hair. If you do, why? Oh, girl. Oh, oh shit. Oh, this is good stuff. That's a lot of products. That's fine. See? So this is the side with no product and product. I still like it looks the same. Just wanna like air dry for about an hour or something, or somewhat, and then I'll just probably diffuse. But I'm just gonna let it air dry, so I'm probably gonna be gone for like 3 or 4 hours, maybe. We'll see. And then I'll show you guys this side. I'm probably gonna do this side off camera, but then again, I don't want to. I kind of want to see no product and product. So yeah, but I'll be back to show you guys the final results of what these products left my hair looking. Look! I like it. I love my hair. Look, 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 look. Now I kept it like parted, but I hate it like parted because I look like Dora the Explorer. So, okay, look how defined these curls are, girl. Let me step back, cause look. It has to be the whole protect and hydrate combination that they gave me, but it looks a tad dry. Like, see, like it looks dry. But I'll show you guys the side. This is the side that I did differently. So what I did was, instead of like, I believe this side I put the leave-in first, then the spray, then the gel. This side I put the spray first, the leave-in, then the gel. So if I was to, let me make sure I'm doing this right. Let me make sure. Like it's not, you see that? It looks like I just didn't put anything in it, which I don't like. So, because this is supposed to be to protect and hydrate. My hair don't look like it's tight. It don't look bad, but I want it to look flawless and shiny and pretty. No? Look like it's hydrated. So the Hold and Shine Mist, I love the smell. I'm gonna give it a second try, second chance. I don't know if it dried up my hair, whatever the case may be, but I love the smell. I love this line, so we'll see. The gel, I love the smell. But I don't know. I want to try using all these products by themselves and see what each product does on its own. Because altogether, maybe it don't work well altogether for my hair, but maybe separately with other products it might work a little more better. But I just would want it to come out a little more better than what it is right now. Like, I wish you guys can feel it. So I'm not really feeling the way it feels. But I love everything. They all smell good. Thank you, SheaMoisture, for sending me these products. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you didn't watch it, you missed out on a good video, girl. Subscribe to my channel. You guys already know this. Give it a thumbs up. And comment down below if you have any other questions. And stay tuned to the next video to see how I got this pinky glow makeup look. That will be my next video after this one. So stay tuned. Bye. So quick update. I'm recording from my phone because I didn't feel like taking on my camera and stuff. And I'm tired, just came from work. But quick update on the products and my hair. I do not like it. I'm not liking it. Maybe the combination together is just no bueno, but my hair feels dried and it looks dry. It doesn't even look like I washed it or anything. Like, I don't know if you guys can see all this. Let me step back so you guys can, all this dryness and stuff. I'm not loving it. Like, I have curl definition, but no. And it felt a little crunchy in the front of my hair. So maybe they don't work together on my hair. Maybe they can work better using them separately. So just to let you guys know, I don't know if it's gonna work like that on your hair, but it didn't do so well on mine, so I'm a little upset about that. I was hoping it would do so much, but it did not. So I just wanted to let you guys know.